Making yogurt at home is really easy. It's not rocket science. Just get yourself some skim milk powder, get yourself a jug to mix it up in, and get yourself a wide-mouthed food flask like this. Glass jars can be used also if you can keep them warm, but these are quite convenient. You can also store these in the fridge afterwards. And you want some live yogurt like this Mary Ann's yogurt here. Bio is sometimes used to describe them, bio-yoghurts. As long as they've got the bacteria names on the side, you know they are live yogurts. A thermometer is quite a useful thing unless you're good at judging temperatures. Lukewarm is what we're after. Then mix up your milk powder according to the instructions. Okay, that's close enough. 47 or 46 degrees is about right, but that will have cold yoghurt going into it, so that'll bring it down to around about 46, 47 degrees. That's fine. Okay, this has had its 8 hours. Maybe 10 hours. Let's give it a try. Woohoo, it's looking good. Looking good. It is quite set. It's got some liquid there, that's okay, that's normal, but it's set. Let's try a spoonful and see how good it is. There we go. Delicious, set, genuine, homemade yoghurt. That's okay. Ready for tomorrow's breakfast. Give it a try, it's not rocket science. Well, it is science, but it's not rocket science. Thanks for watching. Store it in the fridge. There you go, ready for breakfast tomorrow morning.